So to turn the light on, hey there, I'm Brad, and today we're going to be taking a look at Lutron's Caseta Switch. This is a little nifty switch that you can get for your house, wireless, and allows you to hook up lamps so that you can control this while you're away, or if you're just in a different part of the room and you want to have a wireless option, this is the ticket. You can also hook it up to third-party apps like Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant, and so on. So the way this works, you plug this into your wall, and then you would plug a lamp into the side, and you can control it with this switch. This switch is wireless. You have an adhesive back right here. The thing I love about it is that you can stick it on the wall and you can add a regular cover plate over it so it looks like a regular light switch. You cannot tell that it looks any different. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. First, I'm just going to use a power source. And then this is my lamp cord. You can plug it in on the side here, and there's another spot on this side. So you can be running 2 lamps at once. Now I will say this is only designed for lamps. If you want to even have it when you're coming home, you can set a timer on your app. This will allow you to have lights when you're coming in the house. So to turn the light on, we just press this top button and the light behind me goes on. To turn it off, you press the bottom button. Now if you want to dim it, we turn it back on. And then there's 2 arrows here, up and down. So we can just dim it down and you can see the light just getting dimmer and dimmer. Now, if we want to jump right back up to full brightness, we press this little middle button and it'll take the light right back up to full brightness. This will work with dimmable LED bulbs, CFLs, incandescents, and halogens. Keep in mind, it's not rated for low voltage fixtures. I really like Caseta because it allows the user to turn on the light when they're not home, or if you're away on holidays, it allows you to program it so that it'll come on at certain times. So keep in mind, if you want to be able to control this wirelessly, you need to purchase Lutron's wireless hub. That will allow you to run the app and control these things all by the touch of your phone. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.